Stay with me until the end of this prayer. This moment is not random. Right now, God is offering you peace in the middle of everything you are facing. Even if your heart feels restless, His calm is already reaching you. Pause, breathe, and allow God to quiet your thoughts as you listen. Peace often begins when you stop trying to control what is beyond your reach. God is inviting you to loosen your grip and trust His care. You do not need to carry every worry alone. As you release the weight from your heart, God is gently filling that space with calm assurance and steady confidence. In the quiet moments, God draws closer to you. Peace is not something you have to chase. It is something you receive. As your heart slows down, God is speaking gently, reminding you that He is near. Even now, His presence is calming your spirit and easing the tension you have been holding. God's peace does not depend on everything around you being perfect. It exists even in uncertainty and challenge. Right now, God is teaching your heart that peace is found in trusting Him, not in controlling outcomes. Even if situations remain the same, something inside you is becoming calmer, steadier, and more secure. What once felt overwhelming is beginning to lose its intensity. God is calming the storm inside your heart, one breath at a time. You are not being asked to fight or figure everything out. Simply remain here and allow His peace to settle deeply within you, restoring balance, clarity, and quiet strength where anxiety once lived. God is not only calming your thoughts, but also steadying your emotions. What felt unstable is becoming grounded. You are learning that peace can exist even when answers are incomplete. Right now, God is holding you steady, reminding your heart that you are safe, cared for, and not alone in what you are facing. As peace settles in, it begins to take root within you. This calm is not fragile. It is steady and lasting. God is teaching your heart to remain grounded, even when circumstances try to pull you back into worry. With every moment, peace is becoming your new foundation, replacing fear with quiet confidence and trust. God's peace is not just touching the surface, it is moving deeper into your heart. What once returned quickly as worry is now slowing down. You are becoming aware that peace can remain even after this prayer ends. God is training your spirit to recognize calm as your new normal, not anxiety or fear. What once filled your thoughts with worry is being slowly replaced with peace. God is rearranging what lives inside you. You may still face responsibilities and challenges, but they no longer feel as heavy. Right now, God is teaching you how to carry life with calm trust instead of constant tension. God is gently resetting the rhythm of your heart and mind. You are no longer driven by urgency or pressure. Instead, peace is teaching you how to move at a steady, healthy pace. Right now, God is aligning your thoughts with calm purpose, reminding you that there is no need to rush what He is already guiding. A calm confidence is beginning to return to your heart. You may not have every answer, but you no longer feel shaken by uncertainty. God is restoring your inner stability, reminding you that He is faithful in every season. Even now, confidence rooted in peace is quietly replacing doubt, fear, and inner tension. God is teaching your heart how to rest without guilt or fear. You are learning that rest is not weakness, but trust. In this moment, you are allowed to pause and breathe deeply. God is caring for what you cannot control, reminding you that your strength is renewed when you choose to rest in His presence. Peace is no longer just a feeling you visit. It is becoming your anchor. When thoughts try to drift toward worry, your heart now knows where to return. God is anchoring you in calm assurance, reminding you that no matter what shifts around you, His peace will keep you steady, grounded, and secure in every moment. Before you leave, receive this peace fully and carry it with you. What God placed in your heart right now is meant to remain. If this prayer spoke to you, write in the comments, "I am blessed," and also declare, "God's peace lives in me, and I walk forward calm, steady, and protected."